A dollar bill may seem ordinary, but behind every note is a world of precision. Before it reaches your wallet, it begins as a carefully engineered sheet of paper. Every detail is designed to be consistent, durable, and difficult to counterfeit. It is a process where art, engineering, and security meet. This is how American paper money begins its journey, from raw material to trusted currency. U.S. currency paper begins with a special blend of durable cotton-based fibers. Mixed with water, those fibers are transformed into a smooth paper pulp. As water drains away, the fibers begin to form one continuous sheet. Pressing removes moisture and gives the paper the strength it needs to survive circulation. Then heat and pressure dry the sheet into a strong, stable foundation. Security features are built into the paper itself, long before ink ever touches the surface. Every inch is checked for consistency before the paper moves to the printing floor. Now the paper is ready for the next stage, where precision engraving brings the design to life. Before a bill can be printed, its most detailed imagery begins in engraved steel. The first engraved style details begin to give the paper its unmistakable character. Across every sheet, thousands of precise lines come together in perfect alignment. Consistency matters because every line must remain sharp from the first sheet to the last. At closer range, the design reveals details too small to notice in everyday use. And beyond those lines lies another layer of protection: microprinting. At this level, design becomes almost invisible to the human eye. Security is not just printed, it is layered into the paper itself. Even geometry becomes part of the security language. Consistency across every inch ensures maximum reliability. It is designed to be seen, but never truly read. Offset printing begins by building the first complete layer of design. In offset printing, every sheet receives an even and perfectly aligned ink layer. Each pass adds structure, depth, and visual consistency. Alignment is critical. Every sheet must match perfectly. The ink becomes part of the paper, not just a layer on top. Now the foundation is complete, and the design is ready for depth and texture. This is where ink becomes physical texture. Immense pressure ensures every detail is transferred with precision. Under pressure, ink rises into a texture you can actually feel. This raised texture is one of the most recognizable security features. Each sheet carries the same depth, the same precision. Now the design is complete in depth and ready for identification. With the design complete, each note now receives its individual identity. These marks help distinguish one finished note from another. The process is timed to the fraction of a second, sheet after sheet. Before moving on, every printed element must remain clear, aligned, and consistent. The notes are numbered. Now every detail must pass inspection. At this stage, every detail is examined, down to the smallest printed mark. High-speed inspection systems search for even the smallest variation. Only perfectly aligned sheets continue to the next stage. The notes are numbered. Now every detail must pass inspection. After inspection, the sheets are ready to become individual notes. One large sheet is now divided into individual notes. Each note is separated, aligned, and guided into the finishing line. The notes are counted and stacked into precise bundles. Bundled and secured, the finished notes are prepared for distribution. From a single sheet to finished bundles, the notes are ready to leave the production floor. The finished notes now leave the production floor. Carefully packaged bundles are prepared for their next destination. Soon, they become part of everyday life, passed from hand to hand. From the Bureau of Engraving and Printing, these notes enter circulation across the United States. Behind every US dollar is a journey of paper, precision, and trust.